out my body. Whole click pull up and vets, bitch.
Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. How you living? How you feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, man. Give this video a big thumbs up. Man, this is not the video I'm wanting to make, y'all. Something that just happened before the big event, y'all. Hope some of y'all are going to that big YouTuber event out there in Ennis, Texas, y'all. Dallas, Texas. They say Dallas, but it's Ennis, little outskirts of Dallas. But they got a big meetup going on, y'all. Big YouTuber showdown. A lot of big YouTubers coming out, going to the track, y'all. Hit it the legal way. Catch a couple races, y'all. See what it do, y'all. But man, let's get back to the topic while we're here, y'all. It's actually this side, man. For those who don't know, I went 20s in the front, 22s in the back. And these big things are poking, y'all. JI Productions was capping on me because these things was poking so much. Because I did have to put a wheel spacer because it was rubbing a little bit on the inside, y'all. But it's an actual good thing. They are poking a little bit, y'all. Give y'all a close up on this side where it happened at. Man. Look, as you can see right there. And he just went all around the spoke, man. It goes, all damage goes all around the spoke. It did look a lot worse. Like, you can still see some of the red paint from his red car, man. But luckily, these are some big 22s, man. They poking a little bit, so he protected the fender from a little bit. I am going ahead and, for that big YouTuber showdown, I gotta clean the air filter, y'all. She was running a little sluggish. Stay tuned, y'all. Me and JI Productions, y'all. He's getting his car tuned again. You know, we gotta run again. Of course, you know. Let's get back to the topic, man. As y'all can see, that rim is pretty bad, y'all. Look, even ripped a piece of the tire out right here, y'all. All the spokes are just eating up. Let me go ahead and show y'all a clip of the first day it happened. It actually looked a lot worse than that. There's all this fucking, that's red paint from his red car. On all of them. All of them. Damn. Yeah, y'all, so let's just take a trip down memory lane, y'all. Will Wednesday didn't go as planned for me. Just cruising down the street. Just got off work, you know. I'm happy to go home. You know, happy to get back in the car, get back in the vet. She been calling my name all day, you know. We just cruising on the way home. Next thing I know, I hear, boom. Like, the fuck? I know somebody just hit me, man.
Better not run.
Know it in my head, it sounds way worse than what it looks, man. See, right here, it don't look like much damage. Let me show y'all his car. That's actually what I heard. Man, them big 22s do not play, huh? They'll rip the whole fender off, well, halfway off, you know. Got the front end just hanging. Messed up his rim too as well. Man. Right before the big YouTuber showdown, man, people gonna be at the meet. I'm getting the VIP pass, so I'm gonna be right there in the front. Good thing you can't see it that much, y'all. I'm gonna clean it up real nice. Don't worry. I am gonna have to actually get a whole new rim, cause this is a custom 3-piece rim, y'all. Lexani doesn't just make this for the vet, y'all. They have to custom make the wheels to fit the vet. Man. So actually gonna have to order a whole new one, y'all, cause it's a little bent. They said it's too much. Like, they've been shaved down a little bit from rubbing up against his car and his rim. And then it actually bent the rim in a little bit right there. So they said there's no point of even wasting the time to try to even repair it. Why even waste that money, you know? Look, God, every time, it seems like, I'm gonna have to step back, man, because it seems like every time I look, the harder I look, the more damage I find. man. But let's just get on into this, man. I'm about to go ahead and recharge my air filter. Cause look at all this dust. That's all dirt that just keeps falling out of the air filter, y'all. I did recharge about 4 to 5 months ago, so it is time for another one. She's a little dirty. This is a Pro AFE 5R air intake. The only reason why it's red is because I used the K&N air filter oil, which is red dye. It all works the same, y'all. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out on the card right here. It all works the same, man. It all works the same. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this out, man. Clean it all up, get her oiled up. Go ahead and throw it back in the car. On a good note, after that's done, let's go ahead and get a cold start, huh? Let me show y'all while I'm even cleaning it. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Hold on, let me fix that. Boom. Look at all that in there, y'all. Got salt, rock dust, leaves, even a wasp up in there, man. Gotta get that cleaned out, y'all. We're already got the intake taken off. Go ahead and wipe the inside of the manifold off, man. It has a little bit of, let me see if y'all can see it. Just a little black powder around there. You know, just keep it nice and clean, man. I don't want to breathe in all that dirty air. That pollen ain't just messing with people, y'all. That pollen do be messing with the car sometimes. Dirtying up the air filter, so gotta get that clean. Clean it all out, keep it clean for the trip. Then get an oil change too. Should be running good, ready for that race. And there, y'all. Got her all oiled up. As you can see, she back shining red. Got that new oil in there. I have heard some positive things about removing the radiator shroud that helps bring air into the system. Let me see. That's gonna be this right here, y'all. It sits like this, so it helps bring a little bit more air into the radiator. I've actually heard some positive things from removing this, allowing that extra airflow to cool off the engine, you know, get some more air, cool air into the engine bay. So we're gonna see how that works. They're done talking now. Let's get that nice cold start. Ooh, let me fix this lighting real quick, y'all. Boom, got it for y'all. That white still shining. Get that nice cold start. Hope y'all like that cold start, y'all. Man, even though it's a bad day, y'all, it's a bad video, it's not always gonna be positive vibes, man. We're still gonna hold our heads high, man. Gotta keep pushing forward. Can't let this hold you down, hold you back. Can't let small things in life, you know, ruin your day, ruin your week. You just gotta keep pushing forward, y'all. That being said, y'all remember, stay versatile, man. Treat each day like it's your Friday, man, and go at it like it's your last. We out.
Hopped out a motherfucker bed. Hopped in a motherfucker coupe.